Hi, this is one of the videos in the video series How to use Google Classroom. In this particular video, you'll see how to give a test or a quiz or share any other material, and how do you grade the assignments or the quizzes and export them to the Google spreadsheet. To begin with the classroom, first we'll go into the classroom.google.com and log in to your Google account. And once you get in, you need to create a classroom. For suppose, if I am teaching engineering mathematics, for section A, and teaching the course, what do you call, you can say calculus in room number 101. Now you create the class. Now your class has been created. Now let us quickly go into how to grade assignments. So you go to the classwork here, you click on the create, and you have options. You can create an assignment or a quiz or a question paper, or give some material, or you can use the post that you have done already below. And now here let us give an assignment. So you have this originality report. So the originality reports will be done from Google Docs, or you can use Turnitin for your or any other software that you really want to use. And now if you do this, you have to set the points. Suppose I am giving it for 50 points. Well, let us take it 100 so that it's easy to understand. And you can set a due date, maybe by tomorrow, and the topic. The topic would be limits. You can add a rubric, or you can. So you're saying you can see personality report, and you can name the title as limits definition instructions to answer all the questions. You can use or calculator so that end so that you can use both. And now you need to add a document or a file from the Google Drive. So I go to my class and I add a question paper. You can see that you can edit this drop down. So you can say students can edit the file where we can edit the file. Now in this case I don't want them to edit the file, so I can just keep it save the file. Now once we have set our assignment limits and instructions and assigned it for all students, and you can actually see if you want to give it to only some students, you can do that. When you are doing codes with different sets of questions, you can actually select the students. And then you have something called rubric, and this is how you create a rubric. So first, you need to fill in the criterion title. I say conceptual learning, and then I'll add something like uh, understanding of the concept. I say what is the level one? I say definition. Definition, description, meaning of the term, and then add the rubric. So you'll get 1 point for this definition, and then get 3 points for the application part, like using the definition to evaluate the problem, and then save it. And this is the rubric that has been formed with this um, Google, and then I'll save it. And after saving it, these are the instructions. I can go to the student work. I can see that um, nobody has turned the assignment in. And these are my two students, Durga Prasad and Dr. Parvati Sahu. And um, I can independently check, okay, and I can give rubrics. I can assign them or grade them. Since they have not turned any of these assignments, so I cannot grade yet. And if you go to the main group, like these are my classes, and if I go to this class math group test, and I can see all the upcoming assignments. So this is due on Tuesday, the limits and definition. You can see here. So these are the ones, and you have to review and review. So have a review, finished review something? Nothing yet. So in this, I have to review and I have to grade. So let us wait for the students to finish the assignments and post them back.
As a student, I received assignment in Google Classroom from my teacher. I want to complete my assignment limits with definition topic. There are 19 questions are there with multiple choice question types, and also now I have completed and sent it this assignment to my teacher. Just now I completed and now submitted it to the this assignment in Google Classroom.
Once you know that the students have submitted their work back, so you can see, you can go to the classwork, and in the classwork we have this assignment due tomorrow, and let us look into the assignment. When you look at the assignment, you can see what are the instructions, what is the student work, and I have yet to grade uh, this students' presentations. Now I go independently to each of them. So in the last rubric, we have seen how rubrics have been given, and can give application. I can see that half of these are empty, and so I have given the definition. I'll give him maybe 1 point, and for application, I'll give him maybe one because he did not apply the definition with a lot of problems. And you can see this, that he has got 33.3%. We can just give him a grade of maybe say 50% of the questions is right. And now after you do this, you need to, if you press on return, it will go and return the grade, and the student will be notified the grade has changed. Initially I have given 50 and now I am changing it to another number, and that has been updated and the student will be notified. Now let us look into the other one. She has not said anything, so I'll give her a 0 and return. And now what we have is, like, you can see that, yeah, all the papers that have been turned in or assigned you have been graded. So yeah, and now here you have an option to copy all these grades to Google Sheets, and in the Google Sheets you'll see that it will show the class average. This is the class average and the scores of individual people. And with this we have seen how to uh, create an assignment or a quiz, and grade them and set rubrics for them, and uh, sending them to the spreadsheet. Thank you.